you know how to use these magnetic lashes by Ardell. And no doubt it was definitely a little difficult and it was a challenge, but have a look. They look so awesome and they feel a little heavier than the regular ones, but I like them. And it's definitely some work, so if you're in a rush, it's gonna be hard. You have to take your time. And I'm gonna do a live video and show you how I put these on. But so Esme, you asked me to do this for you, and I did. And look at how they look really, really cool. And yeah, so I'll do a live video for you guys. I gotta go finish up my makeup, so I'll check you guys out later. Okay, bye. Mwah. Hey guys. So yeah, I finished my makeup. We're just about to leave, and I just wanted to show you guys those lashes that we were talking about. Take a look at them. Oh my god, I absolutely digging them. So yeah, I'm gonna go live and I will show you guys how to do it. It will definitely require some patience, and I'm sure you guys will be able to get it. So I'm off to a wedding, and I'm really, really excited. Can you tell? I'm thinking about going live to show you guys these lashes, and if you like the eye makeup look, let me know. We can do a tutorial on this look too. So I'm in my bathroom, but check me out. I love this outfit and my bangles, and my other ring is so pretty, but I'm using my cell phone to show you guys, so I can't. Anyway, so yeah, so take a look at these lashes. Look at them. They're so cool. I love them. So I'll show you guys pretty soon, okay? Just hang tight and I'll talk to you guys. मेरी देसी